We have bikes to ride and a charging system to play with. Maybe you will learn how to count. Let's find out. In your make-believe city, what's real? Whether you're on an island, in a small village or in a big city, you'll never run out of ideas, because we're always connected online.
Here, we are the ones who build our city, and to help the planet, the bicycle is our main means of transport. In this city, we learn how to ride a bike and also how to share it. We have bicycles for everyone, even for the child of determination, and that's great. We're all equal and have the same opportunities. When we are playing, we also learn how to economize and save, so we know we are helping the planet by reusing materials. I will tell my friends right now that good practices bring a lot of smiles.
Remember, there are always two options to choose from. A school pack, which is very complete, or a home pack for very cool parents. PréPOP, a fun project to be taken very seriously. Create your city, get out of the box.